And now Central Oregon's local alert weather with Katie Suniga.
Here we are at the Deschutes County Fair. We have had a nice breeze, if you can't tell. The wind has been blowing. It's kept us cool, even though our temperatures have been right about average. The place is starting to fill up. I've been here since 11 o'clock. We've had a steady stream of people coming by. We do have people at our booth until 7 o'clock, so if you want to swing down before 7, we'll be there. And if you're a kid 12 and under and you bring some canned food, we will give you one ride ticket. Now, I moved from the kids' rides just a minute ago to now we are near the food. Definitely seeing some people chowing down and having some dinner around this time of night. Everything's picked up quite a bit, but not the smoke. That is one thing that has stayed clear for us, at least on this end of town. If you're on the southern end of town, then you are not probably very happy, as your smoke and your air quality levels are a bit lower than where we are. Taking a look around the region to seeing what those cameras look like, you can tell up at the OUTBACK lift line, everything looks clear with just a few clouds. That's looking to the north-northwest. If we go to the Bend Airport and we look straight west, you can see the clouds, maybe a tint in there with some of those smoke particles. And what a fun cloud. It almost looks like a bird flying toward us with a hole ripped right through the middle. We have clear skies, again, only for the parts of the region, basically from Bend to the north. To the south, we're still seeing smoke. Temperature-wise, we are just starting to cool off a degree or two, and we actually go into a night where we will see our temperatures drop slightly below average. With our winds, we have been in that 15 to 20 mile per hour range and seeing some gusts up to 25. Nothing too crazy, but definitely having these breezes has kept it a bit cooler out here at the fair. Here's what it looks like on our upper level winds with the satellite and radar image. You can see to our south, you see those thunderstorms that are coming up below us. Those are not going to make it to us. We're going to see those move off to the northeast, pass us on the east, and we actually should stay fairly clear of any thunderstorms. And part of that is due to these upper level air patterns. You can see we have them shifting, but pretty much staying right where they are. And that's what keeps us, one, out of that thunderstorm threat, but does keep us within the chance to have smoke in our air all the way through these fires and not clearing up for us anytime soon. And what I mean is when you look here on that smoke forecast, you'll see the smoke staying toward the south, but then as our winds calm down overnight and we get to those early morning hours, it spreads out. The smoke has to go somewhere. If it's not here, it's going to move on to our neighbors to the east until we can get those fires out. On your future track, you'll watch here and you'll see that we have a few clouds coming through. Now remember, future track does not look at smoke. That's why I show you the smoke forecast and the future track. Some showers that were to our south on Friday, tomorrow, and then we are staying pretty clear. You can see those clear skies now going all the way through Sunday afternoon, a few clouds there, and we stay pretty clear and dry into the start of next week. Here are your current temperatures across the region, low 80s to low 90s, and we have had, as I mentioned several times, an average day today, but overnight we make it into the 40s, and it's been a few days since we have cooled off to that much. Our temperatures are going to range from the low 40s to the low 50s, with 47 in Redmond. That is just a couple of degrees below average. Tomorrow's daytime temperatures, again, right at average. In fact, it will be a very, very similar day that we had to today. We start to see the change Saturday into Sunday. We still have a chance for those 100-degree temperatures on Sunday and Monday, but it does look like we cool off and especially get back into the low 90s, which is still above average by the middle of next week.